Hello guys, welcome back to LenApp. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to add widget on GoDaddy website. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly add a widget here on your GoDaddy website? Well, this one is going to be fairly easy. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead, obviously you want to go to your editor here, and you want to go to the right side. Now, from here, as you can see, you have your pages, so you want to select the page that you want to add your widget. Now, once you're in that page, you want to go and click on the plus button or the add section button that you see here. So obviously, there are going to be some buttons that you can see in between your section. Let's go and click on this one. Now, from here, you have a different categories that you choose from. You have restaurants, gallery, but what we're looking for is going to be files and web. Now, the thing with widgets here, so usually you get those from third-party websites. So usually you need to use an HTML. Let's go and choose this one and just click on the add button option. Now, once you've added this specific section here, what you need to do is you want to select this and you want to go ahead and just paste your custom code. Now, you may need to refer to different web pages, different web page here that you could get, or different platforms, or in this case, sources, in order for you to get your widget. So in this case, another or one of the websites that you could try using is going to be Outside. Now, you need to sign in or sign up into their platform here. So let's go and just click on log in since I already have an account here. Let's go and click on continue with Google. And let's go and just continue with our account here. Now, once you've logged in, let's go ahead and choose our already existing widget here. So I have a lot of widgets that I could use here. So for example, I have a pop-up button here that I could use. I also have like a Facebook feed here and a lot more. So you could go and just create your own if you want to. But maybe in my case, I want to add a number counter here. Let's go and click on it, and you can just click on the create widget option here. Now, from here, what you could do is you just need to choose whichever template that you want to use here. So, for example, I just want to use like a black theme here. And let's go and click on continue with this template and just basically add your counter. Now, depending on what you are adding here, you may need to change some details. So in this case, go ahead and do that. But you could go and just click on close here. And from here, you can go and click on install here. Just click on copy code. And once you've done that, let's go back into GoDaddy and paste our custom code here. And it should automatically add that specific widget for us, as you can see right now. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LenApp. Thank you for watching.